And this is the master. Okay, turn around, back into living room. Got a private backyard. Looks like extra storage out there. And then an eat-in kitchen. Granite countertops, stainless steel. Which then takes us back through the dining room. And up the stairs we go. All of the bedrooms are up here, as well as a small loft area. Here's your loft. Looks like there's an open passageway to look down. And walking this way, AC closet. Bedroom number 2, which is pretty spacious. Big old closet. And private bath.